problem number 26, we're given a function and asked to find the equation of the normal line to that curve at a point when x equals 3. So let's remember something. That if we're going to write the equation of a line, we need to know a point on the line and the slope of the line at that point. They told us that x equals 3, so we know the x-coordinate of our point is going to be 3. But now we need to find the y-coordinate. So to do that, we'll just put 3 into the function that they gave us. 3 for x. So we'll get y is going to be the cubed root of 9 minus 1. So the cubed root of 8 is 2. So the coordinates of our point are 3, comma 2. Now let's find the slope of the line. Before we can find the slope of the normal line, we need to find the slope of the tangent line. To make our life simpler differentiating, we've rewritten this as a cubed root to the expression of the 1/3 power. So now we can differentiate using the chain rule. We'll get 1/3 times this quantity to the negative 2/3 power. The inside stays the same, and now we'll multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. If we clean this up, we'll see that y prime is going to be 2x over 3 times this expression, x squared minus 1 to the 2/3 power. So let's evaluate this when x is 3. We don't have to worry about the y-coordinate because our derivative is in one variable, just x. So let's give us 2 times 3 on top, 3 times the quantity 3 squared minus 1 to the 2/3 power in the denominator. Well, we can clean this up. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 squared minus 1 is 8. So now we have 3 times 8 to the 2/3 power in the denominator. This is a non-calculator question, so let's just review how to find 8 to the 2/3 power without our calculator. Remember that a rational exponent or a fraction exponent tells us the power over the root. So we have 8 to the second power, and then we'll take the cubed root. So you could do 8 squared, which is 64, and then take the cubed root of 64. Or we can make our life simpler and do the cubed root of 8, which is 2, and then take 2 to the second power, which is 4. So either way you look at it, we'll get 6 over 3 times 4 on the bottom, which is 6 over 12, which reduces to 1/2. Now we find the slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line is 1/2. Now remember that the slope of the normal line is going to be different. The normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. And slopes that are perpendicular are opposite reciprocals of each other. So the opposite of positive is negative, and the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1, which is just negative 2. So now that we have a point and a slope, we can find the equation of our line. With the point and slope, we'll use point-slope form to write our equation. So if y minus 2 equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 3. But none of the options listed are in point-slope form, so we'll do some rewriting. We'll distribute the negative 2 on the right. And you notice how all the answers listed have both the variables on the left and the constant on the right, so they have general linear form, which means we'll add 2 to both sides to get 8. And we'll add 2x to both sides to get y plus 2x. And this matches option letter D. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.